Hey, so I wasn't able to find a website or a Facebook page for you, but I think you're over in Nigeria. So I just went floor contractor, Lagos, Nigeria. First, there would be ads up here if people are advertising. Then you'll get the GMB. Then down here you can get organic ranking. Grabbing this guy, you'd see his web page is right here. Looks like he's got a fair amount of content. Let's see how much. Look at that. He's got 878 words. So you'd want to beat that. Probably go up to 1,500 words or something. Next thing is these images. You'd want to save them as keywords. So floor contract or flooring, Lagos, Nigeria, or another keyword that you want to rank for. And then with the content, you'd want to have keywords organically put in there. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Tossing this guy in here. You'll notice he has 5 UR, 0.3 DR, so not all that good. He only has 42 backlinks and 14 referring domains, but we can come in here and see what backlinks he does have and go after the same ones that he has. So this one, 64 DR UR of 12. So this is his best backlink he has, and it is a do follow. So we could come in here and see how he got his backlink, and then we can figure out how we can get that same backlink. Looks to be either a guest post or a blog that links back to him. So somewhere in here, he has a link back to him. It might be that one, or I don't know. It's the right here. It says where it is right here. Or we can grab the ones that we like. Ways you can get backlinks, guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles, any of those. And you want to make sure you get non-spamming ones that have higher UR and DR, as well as ones that are relevant to your industry. You don't want to get you wouldn't want to get fast food or uh, something that's not relevant to the uh, construction or flooring industry. We can go in here and see what keywords he has, what he's ranking for, and grab the ones that we like and put them in our content. Epoxy flooring cost in Nigeria, 50 volume, 0 KD, so super easy to rank for. With cost in there, they might not be buyer intent, but they're somewhat because they're trying to figure out how much it does cost. But we can come down and find the ones that we do like. And see which ones, see if there's ones that we really like. I'm not finding one's not sticking out. I don't see anything sticking out at the moment. Well, we can check out other competitors too and go after the ones that we like. Floor tiles in Nigeria, 150 volume, 3 KD. So you could go for that one. And we can just see what other ones they have. As well as we can go check out other competitors and other places for that. Next thing is the GMB. It's free to do. Go to Google My Business and set up your GMB. You do not need a website to have a GMB, but you want to make sure you fill it out 100%. You don't skip steps, and then add as many photos as you can. Photos are what is the content for the GMB, and then the next thing is citations. It's basically just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp. Facebook will give you one. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for them. Some of them are, cost money, but a lot of them are free. There's thousands out there. Anyways, just want to get more citations than this guy. You want to make sure your name is the exact same as on your GMB, your phone number, and your location. and that's how you can outrank in competition on the GMB. Uh, Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, you can let me know. If you want, we can set up a Facebook call or Facebook video call. Um, if not, hopefully you enjoyed this video and it helps. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.